Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. This is Leo, and you're listening to episode 11. Wow, double digits plus 1. We've hit a new milestone. And look at that sky outside Cafe Jupiter, Sensei. It's a beautiful day. It feels like a perfect day to learn how to talk about, well, the sky.
That's a great idea, Leo-san. In Japan, talking about the weather is a very common and polite way to start a small conversation, especially with someone you don't know well, at a bus stop or in a shop. The word for weather is tenki.
It sure is, Sensei, and I'm so excited for what we have planned today. I feel like this is a topic that will be immediately useful for anyone visiting or living in Japan.
To say, it's nice weather, isn't it? We say, いい天気ですね. This is our key phrase for today. Let's practice. Repeat after me. いい天気ですね.
いい天気ですね. Got it. But what if it's not just nice, but really extreme, like in the middle of a summer heat wave or a winter freeze? How do we talk about temperature?
An excellent point. For this, we have two very common adjectives. For a hot day, we say 暑い. 暑い. And for a cold day, we say 寒い. 寒い.
Atsui and samui. Okay. I've noticed when people talk, they often add ne at the end of a sentence. What does that do?
You have a good ear, Leo-san. The particle ne is used to seek confirmation or agreement. It turns a simple statement into a shared observation. It's like saying, right? Or, isn't it?
So, it's the perfect tool for starting a friendly chat about the weather. I love that.
It is. Now, let's practice using it. First, it's hot, isn't it? Repeat after me. 暑いですね. And now, it's cold, isn't it? 寒いですね.
That's a fantastic nuance. It's like you're inviting the other person into your experience. It feels very communal. All right, temperature covered, but what if it's raining or snowing?
We use simple nouns for that. For rain, we say 雨です. It means literally, it is rain. Simple and correct. Haha. Let's repeat the word for rain. Are you ready? 雨. And for snow, we say yuki. Let's repeat one more time. Yuki.
So, if I'm in a conversation and someone says, 雨ですね, I can just agree by saying, そうですね.
Yeah, exactly. If someone says 雨ですね, you can just reply そうですね. It shows you agree and keeps the conversation flowing naturally.
This is great. I can make statements. But what if I want to ask someone else? How do I ask, how is the weather?
The question is also very useful. You would say, 天気はどうですか? Let me break it down. 天気 is weather. Ha is the topic marker. ですか makes it a polite question.
Okay, so 天気はですか? What's that word in the middle? Do?
Yes, Dao means how, so you are literally asking, as for the weather, how is it? Let's practice the full question. I will say it slowly. Please repeat. 天気はどうですか?
Drill time.
Ready? Repeat after me. 3 times each. いい天気. 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 暑い. 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 寒い. 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 雨. 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 Excellent work, everyone.
That was great. Okay, listeners, here's your homework. Look out your window right now and try to describe the weather in Japanese using one of the phrases we learned today. And join us next time on episode 12. We're going to the konbini. We'll learn how to survive in Japan's amazing convenience stores.
またね